What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Beat Majors channel. I am Young Heat. So last year I did a video. It was basically like just a studio tour of what I have, what I use to make my beats, what I, pretty much create with, and like my creative space, basically. So today I wanted to make a new video and a kind of an updated, this is what I'm using now, this is what my lab looks like now, this is what my creative space looks like now. So I wanted to do that today with you guys and show you what I am working with now, how my setup looks now. Let's go ahead and check out the studio and let's check out what I have back here, what I've been using. I know you guys have been paying attention as far as the new equipment that I've been buying, but as far as seeing all of it together and seeing how it all looks together, I want to show you guys what that actually looks like. So let's get into it.
All right, let's start with one of the number one things that I have in the studio that everyone should probably have if you are a producer. Here is the Akai MPK 249 49 key MIDI controller, 16 MIDI pads right there. It has the transport controls as well as the faders and knobs and things like that. Everything is here. I can pretty much do everything that I need to do with this. So that is the Akai MPK 249. I like the way the keys feel. They feel really good. I like that. They're not cheap feeling. They're actually semi-weighted, so they have kind of a little feel of like the 88 key keyboard, but not as much. So I like this board. This board is pretty dope. I've upgraded this year, so I like this. Next, trusty Yamaha HS8s. I still have them. Those are my babies right there. So before we move any further, let me kind of show you guys some of the little artwork that's on the wall. Just some music stuff. Dream big is what you all should do. Some Rick and Morty art. And then the Beat Majors and some other art there. Beat Majors sign up there as well. And then records down there. Records. I had more, but lost them a long time ago, but it's okay. Then I got the Xbox. I got the Xbox. You got to stay, you got to have fun in the studio. I really got that from my kid. My son really plays that more than me, but I got it because I needed something else to do to take my mind off of music, so that's what that's for. Next back there is my laptop, which I will be upgrading soon, but that is my laptop. That's the main brain of everything. And we come here to the SP404. This is my baby right here. I love this thing. It's like I use it only for effects. I don't really make beats on it. I'm gonna get into making beats on it and start showing you guys some more videos because I see people were really liking the video of me doing the unboxing and kind of showing you guys, what it looks like and things like that. But yeah, I gotta get used to it a little bit more. But I do know how to kind of move around in it. But like I said, I just mainly use it for effects, and I run everything through here into Machine. So everything goes from the SP into the Machine here. So the Machine is pretty much, besides FL Studio, the Machine is one of my brains of the studio as well. I use Machine to make most of my beats, and then I export them all out into FL Studio, and that's pretty much how I do that. So those are those items. Of course, Corsair light up keyboard, RGB. I think that's what it's, RBG or RGB keyboard. Basically, it's to light, all the lights. I can change the colors of the lights if I want to do anything with them. I can have one half red, middle section yellow, the other section blue. Like, I can pretty much really go crazy, but I like when it changes the colors like that. You see all the colors? Yeah, you see the colors. Anyway, next is my LG. This is a 27, I think. 29 maybe, 27 or 29 inch screen here. This is pretty much like, I love the screen. It's an ultra wide screen. I can like see basically, it's basically like having two screens on one. So that's dope. Still have my Focusrite Scarlett 8i6 right here, 8 inputs, 6 outputs. So that's dope. I like that this interface here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Then I have a Sterling Audio headphone amp, and this basically I'm able to have up to 4 headphones going out of one port from my headphone out of my Scarlett, and they go right into this, and then I can, 4 people can listen right here. And then I still have my trusty M50s here. I still love these. I still got these bad boys. Lovely, lovely. Got a couple books. I haven't broken them open yet, but I will. I'm gonna get into breaking these open and just kind of reading again and getting back into that. This is a case for my lens for my phone, but yeah, that's what that is. Then still, I have my AKG. I forgot what model this is. Oh, P120 mic. Pretty decent starter mic. I'm gonna upgrade soon, but it's treated me well. I got the vocal shield right here, so it can capture all the noise and push it basically right back into the mic. And I got the M20 headphones for whoever's recording. Got some more pictures on the wall. Couldn't keep it, you know, dead. Had to get some pictures on the wall. More pictures of, you know, of me. And then, you know, I got the lights on the wall. Dope. Got the TV up there. But that is pretty much my home studio. And I got a couple, you know, characters right there. Get some more around the lab. And I got some lenses for my phone, so when I shoot my videos, I can give you guys the best quality, the best look. I'm still getting used to this videography, shooting my own video thing. I wish I had a video guy, but sometimes you gotta do things on your own. And I have 2 hard drives back here. One for beats, one for sounds, and then I have a backup back there that backs up everything off of my drives here. So that is pretty much that. All right, everybody. So that is a view of my studio and what I'm using, the equipment that I have, how I'm using everything together. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. I know in the studio as well, there's like cable management, and I have bad cable management. I didn't really show you guys that. But if any of you guys out there have cable management tips, like, leave them in the comments. Even leave me videos if you can, and tell me some videos I need to watch as far as learning cable management and stuff like that, because my cable management is terrible. And I know that I need some help with that. So I hope you guys can help me, or someone out there can help me that has found or stumbled across my video. So until next time, y'all, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell button so you don't miss any more videos. That's how I stay in front of you guys to give you this great content. All right. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.